How to save Memoji as a PNG file on your iPhone. So what we'll do is we'll open our notes here. After opening our notes, we will simply go in our emoji section, and there we can see three dots in our Memoji area, and we can select any Memoji we like to save. Then we'll simply click on the Memoji, and then we'll cross it. And after crossing it, we will simply tap on the Memoji, and here we can see that there is a share section right on the bottom left, and we will simply click on it. And if we scroll down, then we'll see an option to save image. Then we can simply save the image, and after saving the image, we can just go and check in our gallery if it is saved or not. Here, after seeing that it is saved in our gallery. So yeah, that is how to save Memoji as a PNG file on your iPhone.